Good morning, everyone. Just gonna use this to brag about my organization skills because I organized my vlogs by year. Thanks, Shay Carl. Yes, I stole that idea from the Shay Tards. You can fight me.
What you doing, Lou?
We're talking about how much we hate you.
Yeah, well, did I just almost slip? Yes, I did. Did Ethan drop a bomb and make half that footage unusable? He sure did. Do I have an addiction to caffeine that makes my one personality trait hyper? Y'all want to know what I just saw? Today's the 4-year anniversary of Christina Grimmie's death, which, holy crap, 4 years, and wow. It also means it's going to be 4 years since Pulse. Like, I got nothing. You know me, I always say the world's insane, but the world is insane. All of that because someone was a simp for someone who's never going to fall in love with him, and he never did. Because now the guy is rotting in hell. And that's honestly what concerns me about the whole simp culture thing, is that some poor girl is going to end up having the same fate that Christina Grimmie did. And that's because we live in a world full of people who can't take no for an answer, people who can't take a hint, people who are entitled, like entitlement and toxic masculinity and, you know. And the whole incel uprising thing on the internet, I know it's not really an uprising, it's kind of just popular because some other person, I'm, not going to say what I needed to say, but it started with a J, ended with 2 S's, decided he needed to go and do some things on his college campus, and that's how we got that. But anyway, this world is indeed a scary one. Wind. It's nice. This is what I love about longer hair. It's just it blows. This is really dangerous, but like I told you, I don't mess with turkeys. I don't mess with big birds, so and dangerous by, I mean, all of this to avoid turkeys. It's worth it, because I don't mess with big birds. And safe. So, also, I've been binging Community since it got on Netflix, and I finished it this afternoon, and I liked it, except for Jim Rash's homophobic portrayal of a gay man, but that's I'm not going to be able to grab that with one hand, so make it 2 trips. But yeah, I liked it. There was an episode that was claymation, like the Christmas episode was like claymation, or one of them. There was a 2D side-scrolling one. It was nice. It was creative. It's by the guy who's known for doing Rick and Morty. Dan Harmon. Not Justin Roiland, but he's like, but you know what I mean. One of the guys behind Rick and Morty. And we're back where we started. I don't know. I thought that was cool. Now what are you up to? Huh? Yeah? Hey. No, Blue. Oh. Well, at least the door was down. They kind of escaped. Okay, so I guess we're gonna go pick up my mom's car and go to Menards. I am definitely going along. So why are we going to Menards? Well, we're doing our bathroom, and then we're probably gonna end up doing mom's, or my mom's. I don't know if I've showed you this or what's going on in here, but there's a lot going on. There's my gross back. Then there's me again. That's what that's gonna look like. It's looking pretty nice. You dig? That's my MTV crib right there. We also got new kids. This is insane. It's insane. So what'd you say you were going to Menards for?
Safety hats and safety vests and hard hats.
For work?
Yes.
Yeah. And we're back. And good old Bessie. Oh, here he comes again. Oh, you're so excited, I know. Oh, bark, bark, bark. Oh. Hi, Lou.
Okay.
Hi, buddy.
We can do without.
It's like, why? I think that's essential. Barking my butt off. Did you find one you like?
Maybe.
Yeah. So where do you think you're gonna put it?
In the basement.
Nice.
No, outside.
I know, Ethan. Where outside, since we have a hill.
On the street.
Alright. So the more I'm hearing about this Dells thing, the more excited I'm getting. Well, one, everything but one water park is open. We're gonna do a Jersey night. One of these nights when we go out to dinner. So that'll be fun. I just gotta have a jersey. I have a couple custom ones I got as a gift, and one that one of my brothers gave me, but it's a basketball one. So, you know. Not that I don't like basketball, because I do. I mean, obviously. But, you know. Just don't know if it'll be like chilly or whatever, you know. They don't have sleeves. Then again, you know, short sleeves. Anyway, so that should be fun. Really looking forward to it. Oh, and one of these nights this week, we're gonna make a trip out upstate above us to go out to dinner because their restaurants are open. I guess that's not really a secret since I'm talking about Wisconsin again. I think that's where I'd want to live, I guess. Wisconsin, it sounds much better than this state. I'm giving away the state I live in by just saying that stuff. Hi, I live in the worst state in the country. I really do. I love it here because I have family here, and I love our major city, but we're trash. Anyway, thanks for watching if you made it all the way to the end. You know, do your thing, like, comment, subscribe, follow me on my social medias, link down below. See you next time.